Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can convert RAR file to APK in Android. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open Play Store on your mobile device and make sure that your Google account is signed in. After that, search for Z-Archiver in the search bar located at the top of the screen and a bunch of results will be displayed. Now open this app and install it onto your device. Once the app is downloaded, open it up and your local device storage will open up. Here, locate the RAR file that you would like to convert into APK and select it. If you don't know how to select it, either long press on it or just tap on its icon. After that, select Rename from the menu and change the file extension to APK. You can see that the RAR file has been converted into APK successfully. So that's basically how you can convert RAR file to APK in Android. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.